Hi, good morning. I saw this PowerPoint and I thought it'd really help with today's addition task. So it says at the top, early years maths mastery. Mastery for us is the bridge between our curriculum and the early years to year one. A lot of our children do know the number bonds to 10. I just thought this PowerPoint was really good to help, especially with addition. So Spotty has 10 spots and his friend has 0 spots. When Spotty shakes, his spots jump onto the other dog. How many spots are there all together? So if Spotty shakes, how many spots will go on to the other dog? Well done. Does the number change when the dogs shake their spots? No, it doesn't, does it? Because 10 add 0 equals 10. Well done. Okay, let's look at the next one. So this is jumping frogs. How many frogs are on the logs all together? How do you know what happens when the frogs jump? So on here, this number here is 9. 9 frogs on this log, 1 on this one. How many all together? And if they swapped over, is there still the same number of frogs? So there was 9 on this one, and then there was 1 on this one, and they have swapped over. All together, 9 add 1 makes 10. So they are still the same. Alfie and Ola have some strawberries for their snack. How many are there all together? So Alfie has 2, Ola has 8. How many all together? They have 10. So we know that 8 add 2 equals 10, but what is 2 add 8? That is also 10. We swap plate, you can see how it has changed. The sum has changed. The bigger number now is at the front. Penguins party. The penguins are having a party. Click on the penguins to make them move together. How many penguins are there all together? Well done, there is 10. Okay, ice cream matching. Which numbers can you see on the ice creams? What does each ice cream add up to? So what number is this one? And what number is this one? So we've got 4 and 6. 4 add 6 equals 10. But this time we've got 6 on the ice cream and 4 on the cone. How many do we have this time? And what have we noticed about the numbers? What has happened on each ice cream? They have just swapped, haven't they? Swapped. So we've got 4 add 6 equals 10. 6 add 4 equals 10. Well done. Llama Drama. 5 llamas have escaped from the field. They need to be caught and taken back to join the other 5 llamas in the field. How many llamas will there be when they're all together? So there's 5 llamas who have escaped out of the field and 5 llamas in the field. How many llamas will there be all together when they're all back in the field? So we move the llamas across. How many are all together? Now we've got 10. So we've got 5 here and 5 there. So 5 add 5 equals 10. But what can you tell me about the number sentence 5 add 5? What do we call it when we add the same number together? You're right, we call them doubles, don't we? So we would say double 5 is 10. So number bonds, odd one out. Which one of these is the odd one out? So we're trying to make 10. And why is it the odd one out? So have a look. So let's have a look at this one first. So we've got Numicon, which we use all the time at school. So the green one has got how many holes in it? 8. And the blue Numicon has 2. 8 add 2 makes 10. So is that one the odd one out? So the odd one out means the one that is wrong. It doesn't make 10. You're right. 8 add 2 makes 10. Let's have a look at this one. So we've got how many here? 8. Well done. How many here? 2. 8 add 2 makes 10. So is that the odd one out? No, you're right. Let's have a look at this one. How many? This is dice. We use dice all of the time. How many on this one? 6. Well done. And on this one? 2. Well done. 6 add 2. Does that make 10? No, you're right. What does it make? 8. So that means the dice is the odd one out because these two make 10. So they have 8 add 2, 8 add 2 or 2 add 8, and this is 6 add 2 or 2 add 6, and that makes 8. So there are lots of fish in the sea. Can you find and click on the fish that show number bonds to 10? What happens when you click on the fish that do not show bonds to 10? Let's have a look. So we've got 3 add 2. Does that make 10? No, so we won't click on that fish. We've got 9 add 1. Does that make 10? Well done, yes it does. Let's click on that fish. Oh, it doesn't want to go, but that one does make 10. 0 add 8. Does that make 10? No, that just makes 8. 7 add 3. Does that make 10? Well done, yes it does. 5 add 5. Does that make 10? It does, because we know 5 add 5 is the same as double 5, and double 5 is 10. Well, 10 add 0. Does that make 10? It does. Well done. 5 add 2. You're right, that doesn't make 10. It makes 7. 7 add 1. So 1 more than 7 is, well done, 8. That doesn't make 10. 8 add 2 makes 10. Well done. 6 add 4. Well done. That also makes 10. So busy bees. These bees are very busy. How many bees are there in their hives? Move the bees one at a time and work out the matching number bond. So let's count the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 add 0 makes 10. I have moved 1 bee across. So how many have I got in this hive now? So I've got 1 in this hive. So this hive I will have 9. Well done. Move another bee. Now on this hive I've got 2. So I had 10 on this one. Now I've got 2 on this one. So how many have I got here? See if you can do it in your head. Well done. I've got 8. It's got 8 on that hive, 2 on the other hive. I'm going to take 1 from this hive. So I've got 3 here. Now how many will I have here? Well done, 7. So I've got 7 on this hive, 3 on this hive. I'm going to move 1. How many have I got now? Well done, 6 on this side and 4 on this side. But still, how many bees have I got all together? I still have got 10. Let's move another bee. How many have I got on each side now? Well done. I've got 5 on this side, 5 on this side. Double 5 makes 10. Move 1 from this side. Had 5 on this side. I've moved 1 across. So now how many have I got on this side? 4. Well done. How many now on this side? 6. Well done. Move another bee. 3 on this side. How many on this side? And does that still make 10? It does. Well done. Move 1 across. 2 on this side. How many on this side? Well done. 1 on that side. And how many on this side? Well done. 1 on this side, 9 on this. What's going to happen when I move this last bee? Well done. None in this hive and 10 in this hive. Okay, number bonds shell at the seaside. Click on the wave button each time. Can you count how many shells appear on the sand and how many appear in the sea? So how many are there? How many shells? 10. Well done. Oh, 1 has gone into the sea. How many now? 9. Well done. Oh, another one's gone into the sea. How many now? Well done. Another into the sea. How many now? Well done. 7. Well done. Right. Which number bonds to 10 can you spot in the picture? Click to see the answers. So can you see any number bonds there? So tell your mummies and daddies what answers you think. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, look at that. We've got, let's look at how many butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 butterflies there, 3 butterflies there. That makes 10. Well done. How many bees have we got here? 8. Well done. How many here? 2. 8 add 2 makes 10. How many worms have we got here? 9. Well done. And just 1 there. We know 9 add 1 makes 10. How many ladybirds are here? 5. Well done. And how many here? 5. 5 add 5 equals 10, or double 5 makes 10. And look here again. We've got 5 caterpillars this side, 5 caterpillars this side. Double 5 makes 10. And how many ants have we got here? 10 ants all together. Well done. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that helped with your adding today and your quick number recognition, number skills of your doubles to 10.